chilli virus. The virus may cause 20 to 75% loss in yield. Characteristic symptoms are appearance of dark green and yellow area on the leaf surface. There may also be sunken or raised. Sometimes the leaves are greatly reduced in size and filamentous or show string-like disease. Plants produce less flowers and fruits. The fruits are usually deformed and rough in texture. The virus is sap transmissible. Natural transmission occurs by aphid vectors such as Myzus percies, Aphias gossypi, Aphias sphaericola, Evonimaimi, Rhopalciphum, Mydes, and Lyphosis ericium. Evonymy is a less efficient vector. A gossypi has equation access period of 30 seconds and the same as inoculation access period. The various the virus is present non persistent in the vector. Both wing and wingless forms of aphids are equally efficient in transmitting the virus. Although a single viruliferous aphid can transmit the virus, the optimum number is 10 to 15. There is no evidence of seed transmission of this virus. The relationship of the chilli mosaic virus are not known. Particles are raised road measuring 102339 by 17 nm. Camara and Dubé 1975. Thermal inactivation point is 90 degrees Celsius and dilution end point is between 1 ratio 10000 and 1 ratio 30000. Longevity is in vitro at room temperature is 15 to 22 days. Now we discuss about cucumber mosaic virus on chili. The mosaic of chili caused by cucumber mosaic virus, Gawkar and Nariani 1982, Dubey et al. 1974, causes vein clearing of leaves as the earliest symptoms. This is followed by puckering and severe reduction in size of leaves. Severely infected plants remain stunted, compact, bushy, with numerous small, deformed, and mottled leaves and few flowers and fruits. The virus is transmitted by a gossipy, a crassivora, and Myzus persiaceae in a known persistent manner. It is not seed transmitted. The particles of the virus are spherical and measure 29 nanometer in diameter. Thermal inactivation point is 56 degree to 66 degree. Dilution endpoint is 1 ratio 1000 to 1 ratio 1000. In vitro longevity Longevity is 24 to 48 hours at 28 degree to 31 degrees Celsius, 2 to 7 days at 18 degrees to 22 degrees Celsius, and 6 to 10 days at 6 degrees to 8 degrees Celsius. Now we discuss about other mosaic viruses reported on chilli. A virus described by Misra 1963 causing necrosis on chili was characterized by mosaic mottling of leaves or venal and stem necrosis. It was sap transmissible. The insect vectors were Apis gossyphi, Apis crassivora, and Myzus persius. The virus had thermal inactivation point between 60 degree and 65 degree Celsius, dilution and point between 1 ratio 500 and 1 ratio 1000. In vitro longevity 12 hours at 32 degree to 35 degrees Celsius and 23 days at 7 degree 10 degrees. It could infect plants in Solanaceae, Leguminosae, and Chenopodiaceae. Epotivirus, potato virus Y group, causing venal motile of bell pepper, capsicum fruit sense, was reported by Nagarjuna and Reddy, 1980. Major symptoms are vein clearing, mosaic mottling, leaf destroying, and leaf size reducing. Sometimes leaves become filiform. Plants are stunted and bear few flowers and fruits. The virus is sap transmissible. A gossipy and M. persiaceae are efficient vectors. It is now transmitted by Topsoptera citricidus, Rhopalocipum maedis, and Aphid crassivora. The virus is no seed-borne. Thermal inactivation point is 50 degree to 55 degrees Celsius, dilution endpoint 1 ratio 1000 to 1 ratio 5000, and in vitro longevity 24 to 32 hours at 21 degree 21 degree to 28 degrees Celsius, 43 days at 0 degrees Celsius, 53 minutes at minus 25 degrees Celsius. The virus particles are flexuous, road measuring 864 by 19 nm. It has a narrow host range, infecting few species in Solanaceae. Kapoor and Schwant, 1987, have reported a strait of tobacco mosaic virus on bell pepper, capsicum, fruit size, and name it as bell pepper. Yellow mosaic virus it causes when clearing yellow longitudinal patches, yellow necrotic lesion, mottling, puckering, blistering, distortion, and systemic yellow mosaic on many species of capsicum, tomato, eggplant, Facilis vulgaris. Dilution endpoint is 1 ratio 500,000,000 thermal. Inactivation point 95 degrees Celsius and in vitro longevity at room temperature 3 years. Maximum concentration of the virus occurs in leaves. Seed transmission occurs. 5.8% seeds carry the virus. Although whiteflies acquire the virus, they are unable to transmit it. The virus particles measure 250 to 280 by 16 to 18 nanometer. Management of chilli mosaic virus. Not much work has been done on the management of mosaic disease of chili, since they are mostly vector transmitted. Control of insect vectors by insecticidal spray may reduce disease intensity. Chemicals recommended for leaf curl disease described below should be used for this disease. Also, spraying should be started at a very early stage of plant growth and repeated at 10 days interval. Varieties Puri Red, Puri Orange, G2, and Condiverum are resistant to chili mosaic virus in Himachal Pradesh. Chofla and Sharma 1990 reported that pepper varieties Punjab Lai, Perennial, and Guwahati Black are highly resistant to mosaic virus belong to rotavirus and Kokomo virus group. Planting of maize as a barrier crop reduces the incidence of mosaic by about 50%. Besides increasing the yield, Chofla and Sharma 1990, Diol and Ratul 1978. Resistance in pepper lines to cucumber mosaic virus is the vector transport of the virus, not to the virus. Leaf curl of chili. Leaf curl of chili. The virus that causes leaf curl of tomato is responsible for leaf curl of chili. Also, and is quite common in India whenever this crop is grown. Symptoms: curling of leaves, their small size, shorten internodes, leading to dwarfing of the plant, which accompanies witches. Broom appearance are main symptoms. These symptoms resemble those of tomato leaf curl. Fruiting is stopped. Leaves are of pale yellow color. Fruits that are formed are small and deformed. The causal agent. The disease is caused by tobacco leaf curl virus, which attack tobacco, tomato, chili, papaya, and a large number of other hosts. Strain infections. Different host may be different. The virus is no self-transmissible and also no seed-borne. Not much is also about its properties. In nature, it is transmitted by the whitefly Bemisia tabacai, while it perenniates on a variety of its wild or perennial host plants. Management of the disease. The spread of leaf curl can be reduced to some extent by controlling the vector. Starting from early growth stage of the plant, insecticides like diazinon, metaxistox, or malathion should be sprayed at 10 days interval. Spraying should be stopped at least 20 days before plucking the fruits. So thank you everyone to listen me.